What's up, guys? We are gonna rewire this boat. It's a 36 Yellowfin, and it was just rewired, but the wrong way. So I just want to show you guys something. Boat looks great, right? The average person would think everything's perfect. This is the most important thing about your boat, is it's electrical. Now this is just an absolute disaster. If you're in the Bahamas or somewhere, you're not gonna know what is what when you have a problem, because you will have a problem. None of the heat shrink connectors are melted, and this is just in the console. I'm sure as I go through this all, we're gonna find more stuff. So when you guys pay someone cheaper, it's gonna get done cheaper. Just remember that. I am going to gut everything from this boat. Like everything. Like, what is this? I just get distracted because I'm finding something new. That looks good. Oh. And then we got this. And this. And this. You know, you really want these connections down here in your bilge, you know, to be watertight, because you want that and this to, you know, work every time. And when it doesn't, you can sink. It just gets better and better as I look. What is this? Why is this here? Alright, this is the only way to do it the right way. Rip it all out. So now I know each direction the wires he ran for whatever. I have my snakes. I ran my snake for my first pull. So the first thing I'm going to do is wire the switch panel to a terminal block and label it all nice. Not sure where I'm putting anything yet, but I usually just draw it all out on a piece of paper like 100 times. Here's all the amp wires and the stereo head unit. Just gonna leave that here for now. Now we're gonna try and kind of get everything laid out. I got all the wire ran in the boat. Probably going to set it up and move it all around like 15 times until it all fits right. It's a lot of work, guys. I got all the wire pulled in its place. Now it's for everyone's OCD to shine. Just connecting, straightening everything out. I might move stuff around one more time, but this is probably it. And then I'm gonna cut every single zip tie again, straighten everything perfect. Oh, and if anyone's doing battery cable, oh, who is calling me? Sorry about that. Phone always ringing. Battery cable. If you need to cut it, everyone needs to get a ratcheting cutter, because it cuts through the biggest battery cable like freaking butter, man. There's nothing more annoying than cutting through like 2-aught, 4-aught battery cable. Money.